In this video, I will show you how to write in Microsoft Excel end of proof symbol. So guys, you want to write this symbol end of proof. So easy and quick way you can write. Just click on insert, then the equation. Make sure click on equation, and here the symbols section. Select here basic math. If anything else selected, so select basic math and select here this end of proof. And there are some more symbols, useful symbols you can write. Almost you will find all type of symbols. Just select it and insert. Once you select it, so it will appear here in your Excel worksheet. And same method you can insert this symbol in Microsoft Word. So thanks for watching.